Welcome back to Car Vibes. Today we're diving deep into one of the most insane hypercars on the planet, the 2026 SSC Tuatara Striker, a machine that looks like it came straight out of the future and delivers performance figures that sound almost unreal. The Striker is an evolution of SSC's already record-breaking Tuatara, but this isn't just a simple refresh. It's a whole new beast engineered for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, raw power, and track-focused dominance while still being road legal. At first glance, the car's presence alone makes your jaw drop. Its razor-sharp lines, aggressive front, fascia, towering rear wing, and advanced aero package are all designed with one goal in mind: downforce at ridiculous speeds. The Striker isn't just built to go fast in a straight line. It's engineered to grip the road and cut corners like a scalpel, and every vent, fin, and curve of this car has been tested and shaped to squeeze every ounce of performance from the air around it. Underneath that exotic carbon fiber body lies a monster of an engine. SSC has once again worked its magic with a 5.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that produces up to 1,750 horsepower when running on E85 ethanol and 1,350 horsepower on regular 91-octane fuel. Numbers like that almost sound like science fiction, but SSC has proven time and time again that they don't play around. The Striker takes this insane power and channels it through a lightweight carbon fiber chassis and a 7-speed automated manual transmission that's lightning fast. With a curb weight kept astonishingly low thanks to extensive carbon and composite materials, the power-to-weight ratio of this hypercar is absolutely off the charts, putting it in a league of its own even among hypercars from Koenigsegg, Bugatti, and Rimac. The aero package on the Striker is what really separates it from the standard Tuatara. This car generates 3 times more downforce, with figures reaching up to 1,100 pounds at 160 miles per hour. That huge rear wing, dive planes, and rear diffuser are not just for looks. They are functional, designed to pin the car to the road during high-speed maneuvers. SSC wanted the Striker to be a true track weapon, capable of staying planted even when cornering at extreme speeds. This is the kind of engineering that allows drivers to fully unleash the monstrous V8 without worrying about losing control. Every inch of this car has been designed in wind tunnels to optimize airflow, cooling, and stability. And it shows in the way the Striker looks almost like a fighter jet with wheels inside. The 2026 SSC Tuatara Striker balances luxury with pure racing DNA. The cabin is minimalist but futuristic, with fighter jet-inspired digital displays, lightweight carbon seats, and driver-focused controls. Everything is about precision and performance, with just enough comfort to remind you that this hypercar is still road legal. SSC has integrated advanced telemetry and real-time performance monitoring so drivers can track lap times, acceleration, and even G-forces while pushing the car to its limits. The interior also features customizable trim and materials for those who want a personal touch. But make no mistake, the cockpit is designed first and foremost for speed and focus. Performance numbers on the Striker are mind-blowing. 0 to 60 happens in under 2.5 seconds, and the top speed remains in that same nearly 300 mph ballpark that the Tuatara has already proven itself capable of. But while the base Tuatara was about ultimate top speed records, the Striker is about overall track dominance. SSC has tuned the suspension, braking, and aero so that this car isn't just fast in a straight line but can dominate every twist and turn of a circuit. This is a hypercar built for enthusiasts who crave more than just bragging rights. They want to feel the thrill of raw control and precision at the limit. SSC has also introduced new lightweight forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires to ensure maximum grip. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide stopping power strong enough to tame nearly 2,000 horsepower, making sure the car can shed speed just as violently as it gains it. The Striker isn't just about excess, it's about balance between sheer power and track-capable handling. A rare combination that makes it one of the most extreme yet usable hypercars ever made. Of course, exclusivity is a huge part of the Tuatara Striker's appeal. SSC is only producing a very limited number of these cars, ensuring that only the most dedicated hypercar collectors and enthusiasts will ever get their hands on one. Each unit is hand-assembled, tailored to the owner's preferences, and represents not just a car but a piece of automotive history. With its stunning design, ferocious performance, and groundbreaking aerodynamics, the Striker is more than just a hypercar. It's a statement of what's possible when engineering ambition is pushed to its absolute limits. The 2026 SSC Tuatara Striker is America's answer to European dominance in the hypercar world, standing tall as proof that American engineering can create not just muscle and power, but also precision and balance. It challenges the likes of Koenigsegg Jesko Attack, Bugatti Bolide, and Rimac Nevera head-on, while bringing a unique, aggressive American flair to the hypercar battlefield. The Tuatara Striker isn't just a car you drive, it's an experience you survive, an adrenaline rush that redefines what we thought possible on four wheels. For those lucky enough to see one in person, the sight of that sculpted carbon fiber body and menacing aero kit is unforgettable. And for those who get the chance to drive it, it's a reminder that the limits of speed and performance are still being pushed further every year. The Tuatara Striker isn't about blending in, it's about standing at the very edge of automotive innovation and showing the world what the future of speed looks like. This is not just the next chapter for SSC, it's the next chapter for hypercars as a whole. So, that was a full dive into the 2026 SSC Tuatara Striker, a car that proves once again that the pursuit of speed has no finish line. Stay tuned here on Car Vibes, because we bring you the most insane, rare, and jaw-dropping machines from across the globe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for more high-octane content where cars aren't just vehicles, they're legends in motion.